Hey everyone, so you want to pass the CKA exam? Let's figure out how to crack it. Yeah, this is no multiple choice quiz. It's a live, hands-on test in a real Kubernetes environment. So you're not just answering questions, you're actually managing a live cluster, and the clock is ticking. Honestly, speed and accuracy are everything. You can't fake your way through this with theory alone. Okay, so the exam is broken down into these 5 main domains. They all really matter for your score. Take troubleshooting, for example. You've got to find and fix problems fast. Every single second counts. But the best way to get it is to see what the tasks actually look like. All right, first up, you've got to set up a horizontal pod autoscaler with very specific scaling rules. You have to follow these steps exactly, from creating the resource to patching it. Precision is key. Next up, a classic troubleshooting problem, digging through pod logs to find a specific error message. This means you're going to have to chain commands to find that info and save it exactly as they ask. And for our third example, a super common task, just listing and sorting resources using kubectl. So you'll use kubectl's sorting feature to list persistent volumes by size and pipe that output to a file. So how in the world do you build up the speed and muscle memory for all this? It's not about memorizing answers from exam dumps. It's all about building that command line muscle memory. And that's where having the right prep tool is, well, an absolute game changer. You want a realistic online simulator, maybe even a mobile app, so you can practice anytime, anywhere. Get this, with that kind of focused practice, a whopping 98% of people pass on their first try. See, this is how you build the real skills and competence you need to walk in and ace it. So now you know the deal. You've got the blueprint. The only question is, are you ready?